In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix TikTok following problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Click on the option settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option help center. Now click on the option chat with us. What do you need help with? Select the option interaction. Now click on the option I cannot follow others. Now you can have conversation with TikTok support team. You'll need to mention that you are unable to follow other people. From here you might get the solution. Next thing you want to do is update your TikTok. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Also check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Lastly, if these solution didn't work out for you, delete the TikTok app completely and again reinstall it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.